quick tutorial on how to replace the string on this new 18-volt Ryobi weed eater. First thing, before you replace the string, just take the battery out, just out of safety. Now with the battery out, if you've got any string left in it, you can push these two tabs that you see, one on each side. Just push them in and the spring that's inside will push this open. Don't lose this spring. And if it comes out, that just goes in the center hole right there. Once you take this cap off, take any string out, you can just unwind it, whatever's left here, just unwind it. Once you get the string out, you're gonna put this cap in this way. You can see these two holes in there. They match up with those two posts. Just turn a little bit until that sinks in. And then you're gonna just line up these tabs with the open holes there and push them back in. There you go. Next step, you're gonna line these white lines here with the white spots, basically where the holes are, on each side. Then you're gonna take a new length of string. You can use up to 16 feet. See what I got here? And you're just gonna put that string in one side through one hole here and until it comes out the other side. Then you're just gonna pull the string until you've got the same length on each side of the head here. So 8 feet or so, whatever it is. I'll do that off camera, get these lined up. And once you've got the same length of string on each side, you're gonna just hold the black part of the head here and turn this big neon green head clockwise. The arrows tell you which direction, and that will suck the string in. So you'll just keep twisting that. And before you start using it, you want to make sure you have the string the same length on each side. Just tap it on the ground while running, and there you go. Now, as easy as that is to restring, what's not easy at springtime is replacing blades on your lawnmower, especially a riding lawnmower. Check out this video here. I've got a tool that I show you how to use that makes it so fast and so easy to replace lawnmower blades. No removing decks, no jacking up a riding lawnmower. Just quick, easy blade replacement. Take a look. Thanks for watching.